How to fix Fall Guys freezing on Windows PC. 1. Lower in-game settings. See details below. Preset, custom. Resolution, 1920x1080 60Hz. Windowed, off. VSync, off. Texture detail, half res shadows detail, low. Motion blur, off. Bloom, off. Depth of field, off. Ambient occlusion, none. Anti-aliasing, none. Anisotropic filtering, off. Screen space reflections, none. 2. Disable Steam overlay. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Verify your game files in Steam. 5. Stop overclocking your hardware. 6. Disable or remove unused peripherals. 7. Check if it was a server problem.